Hey everyone, in this video, we are going to have a look at how you can set up your $300 free Google Cloud credits. The credits will be available to use for 90 days or 3 months, and it's a good way to learn and also start on early production of your products. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Google cloud. So basically, you need to go to cloud.google.com. And from there, you will see there's a blue button which says get started for free. Now, in case if you don't see this button, get started for free, there will be another button at the top right which says start free. So either one of the two works. So let me just click over here, get started for free. And then it will ask me for my some information. So my country of residence. So I've selected India over here, and you can go through your Google terms of services. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on agree and continue. Now, after this, you will be prompted to provide your payment information. So this step is required for ID verification and to provide any kind of service interruptions. So Google will not charge you after the trial ends until and unless you manually upgrade it to pay as you go or a prepay account. So you can see even on the side it says if you decide to activate a full pay as you go account, only then it will start charging you, or else you won't be charged automatically once your credit ends. So it is a secure option. Now, once you're done with this, so just add your contact information and payment method and click on start free. So this way your billing account will be set up. So once your billing account is set up, you can simply go to the Google Cloud console again and search for billing. And in the billing, you would see in the credits section, the credits should be reflected. So for example, if you go to Google Cloud Console again and if you log in, you should see something like this, and you can simply search for billing. And yeah, this is the one we want, billing accounts. So from there, you can simply scroll down to the credits part, and you'll be able to see how much credits you have received, how much your remaining value is. So all the information on your credits are available. So if you see some original value of around 27,000 rupees or $300, then you are good to go. Now, the next step would be to link your Google credits to your Gemini API key. So to do that, you can simply head off to the Google AI Studio. You can log in using your same Gmail account you have used for your Google Cloud. And from there, you can simply go to get API key. So on the left panel, you would see there's a option called as get API key at the bottom. So just click on that, and whichever API key you want the billing to be set up, you can click on that. So for example, this one, the default Gemini project says set up billing. So I can just simply click over there. So it might ask you to also log in once again for an extra verification. So don't get surprised. Just simply log in with your Google account, and you will immediately see a pop-up. So that looks something like this. Set up your cloud billing account, and simply select the cloud billing account which has your $300 credits in it, and click on continue. And that's the way your billing will be set up. So your billing tier will now be using your cloud credits.